All parties Hurriyat Conference has said that Narendra Modi-led Indian regime is systematically exploiting the natural resources of occupied Kashmir, aiming to perpetuate the marginalization of the Kashmiri people. According to Kashmir Media Service, in a statement issued in Srinagar, APRC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas maintained that Modi government is implementing a strategy to disempower the Kashmiris. Posters have once again surfaced in occupied Kashmir, urging the people to refrain from selling their properties, including the land, to non-Kashmiris to safeguard the future generations from the Hindutva, BJP, RSS anti-Kashmir agenda. According to Kashmir Media Service, these posters have appeared in Srinagar and Baramulla, voicing opposition against the Hindutva, BJP, RSS and the implementation of the harsh and anti-Kashmir policies. An Indian police officer and a civilian were killed in what the police claimed a shootout at the Government Medical College in Kathua district. According to the reports, the incident unfolded between the Indian police and a group of what the police claimed a group of the gangsters. Senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Mirwais Umar Farooq, has lamented that the people in the occupied Kashmir have been forced to live in such an atmosphere of fear and uncertainty where they do not know that whether the next Friday or the Eid prayers will be allowed in the territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mirwais said this while addressing a public gathering in Srinagar. Communist Party of India Marxist has announced its decision to refrain from contesting the upcoming Lok Sabha elections in the occupied Kashmir. The move aims to consolidate the voters and defeat the Bharatiya Janata Party. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah has asserted that the plight of the people in the occupied Kashmir has deteriorated since 5th August 2019 when the Modi-led Indian government revoked the territory's special status. According to Kashmir Media Service, Umar Abdullah said this while addressing a party convention in the Islamabad district.